Hello, my name's Matilda from Learn to Love to Read. Welcome to Summer Sounds. Today we're looking at the X sound. X. You say it. X, X, X. X, X, X. Well done if you joined in. And here's a picture of somebody doing some exercise. 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 Can you hear the X sound in there? I've got some other things with me today that have the X sound in them. I've got a box. Can you hear the X sound at the end? Box. You have a go. Box. Box. And I've also got a fox. Can you hear the X sound at the end? Fox. 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 Brilliant. And for every sound that we learn an action to go with it to help us remember. The action for X is like we're taking a picture, and every time we press the button we make the sound. X, X, X. Can you try that? That's right. X, X, X. X, X, X. Well done if you joined in. See how many things you can spot that have the X sound in them today. I'll see you again soon. Bye.